Indian food good than a motherfucker, but that shit hella expensive. So let me show you how to make this Indian expired dish at home. It's some tandoori shrimp and vegetable stir fry, and then something like a shredded chicken curry with potatoes and peas. First, go to the stove, get you some chicken thighs. Don't get the boneless, skinless. Just go ahead and get the bone in. They're way cheaper. All you gonna do is rip the skin off. Next, you'll get some cilantro, some green and red bell pepper and onion, some olive oil. Cook that down until the onions start looking see-through like this, and then come with your garlic. Cook that for a minute, then next you'll come with your chicken thighs. Just rip the skin off. I promise it's gonna fall apart. You only gotta worry about the bone. Mix that around, let it cook for a second, then season. Garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, garlic, cumin, some oregano, and some black pepper. You'll mix that around, let it cook for a second, and then you'll come with your sauces. Okay, for the sauces, you're gonna use a whole jar of this tikka masala, a couple hefty tablespoons of that tandoori paste, and some chicken broth. You're gonna bring that up to a boil, cover, let it simmer for about 45 minutes. This part is optional. At the 45-minute mark, you could cue you up some potatoes and then come with some frozen peas. Throw that in there uncovered and let it cook until the potatoes get fork tender and the sauce thickens. Next, take the rest of the bell peppers and some onions, throw it in a wok with some olive oil, cook it down to it look like this, and add a little salt. Cut you up some zucchinis, throw that in there, and then hit it with some Mrs. Dash and some salt, pepper, garlic. Take your peeled and deveined shrimp, hit it with some paprika and some salt, pepper, garlic, throw that in the mix with a big spoon of tandoori paste, and then cook that down. See, I told y'all the chicken was gonna fall apart. It's gonna come off the bone. You ain't gotta worry about the bones at all. Next thing you gotta do is just get some rice and plate. Throw your little cilantro on top. If you got some naan, use that. If not, fuck it, a tortilla or some bread, nigga, from the hood, bread. Like, we don't need all the rest. This shit good to the motherfucker, but here you go, though.